Hello, today I'm gonna show you how to fix crashing and game not responding problems on Steam games. I have problems with my PUBG game, so what do you need to go is go right click library, find your game. My is PUBG, properties, local files, verify integrity of game files, and wait. Steam will check your game and will fix your missing files. Another thing you need to go is go to start, type show hidden files and folders, click show, apply, OK. Then go to your computer, say users your name, hidden file is now, you can see it, application data local and temp. Delete all files, Ctrl+O, delete all, and skip that you can't delete. Also, if you have this PUBG file or your game, just delete your game file or folder. Then when verify is over, restart your PC and game should work.